right now. I have no tools in my car.
It's scary.
I came down here with a regular, a Phillips.
A 10mm.
A 10mm. You saw that video.
I hope. You're like, I hope I make it.
Bro, how many miles you got on this?
140.
Wow.
I know. Hard to tell, but 140,000 miles. I've owned it for 9 years.
And do you also have Caesar working on yours?
No, mine was built by a completely different guy.
Yeah?
Yeah. He used to be known, name's JD, super cool guy, good friend of mine. It's reliable, you know? It's going to get tuned by Needless Torque. What's his name?
Torque.
Dave Trojan.
Ah, Dave Trojan. Yeah, he's an OG.
Yep. So Dave did my first Big Wheel Stage 3 tune, and I figure I'm not going to reinvent the wheel. I'm just going to go with somebody who knows.
Right. What? You want to start making products again? We got the man, the legend, neon guy performing. Yeah, let's go check this car. Oh, I haven't looked at it. I've just been walking by it, and you know, it is a lot cleaner than I expected. Obviously, I know these cars out here in California are stupid clean, but do you keep it in storage or never drive it? God.
Probably once every 3 months or so, but it stays in the garage with a cover on it.
What type paint job is this? Like stage 2, stage 3, what?
It's a stage 2. It's actually the 2005 Honda Accord blue.
Okay. Yeah, that is, I think that was inspired by the 2000 SI.
Yep, but they just brightened it up.
Yes,
a little bit.
exactly. Yeah. I like that. Those are different tips. We'll talk about that in a second. I feel like this car should be a right-hand drive. It's
right?
That clean, dude.
Hey, I thought about it, huh?
Yeah.
I thought about making it when I was building it.
God, it's really clean. What do you got in here? No, you should have that out. You should have that out here. This show class guy. You did a great job. Now I seen the originator of Neons and Things. You guys have two clean ass first gens. He has that.
Yeah, it is Hemi Orange without the pearl in it.
Ah, orange. He had the Hemi Orange.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God! When I seen that, I didn't realize he was over there in Washington either.
Yeah. His is clean too. He has a real nice clean. I've talked to him a couple times.
Is that your strut bar too?
Yeah.
Go ahead and make a video of this because I've been dying to get one because I came across his Instagram one day. But look at this. Look at that thing, huh? That thing's dope, right, dude? Ooh, come on, go back into business, dude. Now you want to tell me about it a little bit? Because this is your build, guy.
Yeah, this is 100% my build. 2.5 years to build. Had the car since 2001. Sold it. Found it in Mexicali on Craigslist some years ago. Rebuilt it, took time, and did literally a complete SRT build on it. Everything on the car is SRT except for the body.
Yeah, man, she's clean. I like that plaque you got there. It's all carbon fiber too. Carbon fiber fuel rail cover.
Yeah.
Original. Yeah, it looks purple in a way too.
It does, yeah. It has like a purple tint to it, yeah.
And it has like no flake when it's purple. But when you look over here, it's blue, but it has flake. And now it's purple. Dude, it's nuts. These are the ones everybody keeps on talking about, Avids. Everybody wants those. Oh, the steering wheel.
And watch that little plaque.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even see that.
No, they're the guy is.
Oh, you guys, look at that. That feels so nice.
Oh, for real? Yeah, he's right there on Foothill and Mango.
Super clean, and you got the SRT Viper inspired type suede seats going on, embroidered SRT4. That's so nice. Ooh. I really like these wheels though. Oh, I need sway bars. I need sway bars. In the back? Yeah, dude. So nice.
Huh? No, Skittle van? He's the one who's been building it from scratch on Instagram for years.
Yeah, you know, you're probably the second person to like. By the way, Mike. Nice to meet you.
You look familiar.
Huh?
You look familiar.
Hey, he said that looked familiar.
You guys don't know this guy, man.
You look familiar.
Car before. I've seen his car.
If you follow me, then you have to know him because he's always tagging me on all his posts. So
I've seen you too. I've never actually like followed you or anything. I've just seen you. I know.
Yo, it's alright. You know how many people I talk to?
Justin Wires. Yeah.
Justin. I know Justin Wires
Justin
too.
Wires.
Yeah.
Surprised he ain't out here. He's building a car right now.
Yeah, I've seen it.
So it goes on the bottom of the 450s. It's like an adapter from Jegs, and I guess you got to grind the bottom of the 450 and the 525 fuel pump for the adapter to sit on there and clamp.
Yeah.
And then there's AN fit in. So I have everything, and some of them's already in the tank. Maybe you can finagle something with what I have, and I'm pretty sure you can, because I bought everything that I know that needs to be done. But E85 capable gas line, E85 rubber hose, that has to be probably replaced if you can't reuse it. You'll like my little setup. It has the hydromat, and it has just the E85 hose coming off of the, like an adapter that's on the bottom of the Volvo 525, but I don't like the adapter. It was like one of those 350Z modifications that it was just like it slips on the inlet, and then it has like a little type washer that pushes and locks the thing on there.
I got the like 4 of them, the ones that go on the bottom for the hydromats. The little black ones that go on the back, and you put the hose to the hydromat.
Yeah, I got that already on my hydromat. Yeah.
Well, see, I got like 4 of those things.
You have hydromat? You have no issues with like low fuel?
Nope.
Bucking? No. All right.
Nothing.
Yeah. So
My hydromat is the whole. My hydromat's the
He's
whole
gonna
bottom.
take care of it.
Cool. Hey, that's the man right there.
Yeah, I know.
That's the man right there.
You know, I got Ricardo on the other side of the country. If I need him, I have Brutal Speed and Tuning. I have people all over, and I never met Caesar, and I never met all y'all. So I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna take that drive, I know my car needs to have work. Bring it to the guy, the legend.
Oh yeah.
The living legend.
Yeah. All right, guys, this is Caesar. If you guys do not know about him, he's a Southern California SRT4 guru, we'll call him.
The car's been running 2 years strong. I took it to him with no motor, no nothing, no parts. I had cobwebs in it.
You trashed the Boost Monster motor, huh?
No, there was nothing in it.
Oh no.
I bought it with nothing. He was supposed to help me build it, but I don't know, something happened or whatever. So I towed it over to him with nothing. I didn't have no blocks, no head, no nothing. And we sourced it. No, I had the head actually.
SRT4 than you.
Bro. You're close, you're there.
So clean, bro. I like that harness bar.
Thanks.
Carbon fiber in the back. I like that.
Got the suede right here, trying to be a little fancy.
Oh, we're trying to be Viper, huh? Like it, bro. Have a good drive.
Hey, drive safe, man.
Thank you.
Shit. There's a lot of all the fucking stupid little intricate shit.
Did you know about it before you took it in, or you kind of went with it?
I took it off and I knew what I wanted to do. And then from there, I was like, I logic told me there's gonna be dirt still in there, and I really don't want it to fuck up my bottom end or my top.
Why does everybody go like this whenever?
Hey, you gotta get that good shot, you know?
No, you just relax. You just chill.
I was like, okay. I still don't
Chill. I know. I see you. Lift your leg up. Alright guys, so one thing I want to do before I actually have to go to the airport is sit in the passenger seat of this Jeep and do a POV drive along with Caesar, the owner of the shop right here, which is hosting this SRT4 Cars and Coffee. Cholo's drinking Michelob Ultra, and I'm having one also. But Caesar just told me that he wants to go ahead and take the Jeep out and take it for a roll, and he knows I want to go ahead and take a drive in that thing. So I do have Alex possibly on deck after. Next time I'm down here, we're gonna go take a ride with Alex and his
big boy tires on too.
Yeah, so we actually stick. Are we gonna stick like his Jeep stick?
We'll see. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
And what are you boosting at? 26?
Right now I'm on the wastegate, like 20, around there. 20, 21.
So he's
I'll
big.
turn it up though for that day with big tires.
Whatever. It's up to you.
I'll turn it up to like 30 or something.
Alright, so stay tuned, you guys. Subscribe, hit the notification button, because I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video, but if y'all stay tuned in, y'all know when I'm gonna upload Alex's POV drive along. It's just gonna be nuts. Stay tuned, y'all. But we're gonna take this red demon back here. I don't know what to expect, but I'll tell you right now, it's all-wheel drive, sitting over 300 horsepower. That's only what, 300 and what? 330? 414?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was in like 300s, but that big turbo, pretty much the same size turbo as I have. It's just, he got his done a lot faster than I would. Oh, I did. I took 7 years. He probably took like 7 days. But anyways, I got a guy that has his DJI Mavic Air 2, I believe, and he's gonna charge his drone, and I'm gonna go ahead and sit in the passenger seat of Caesar's Jeep and hopefully get some aerial video footage. I'll have both GoPros going in the car, and I'll have my A6300 in my hand. That way you guys get all the video footage of me shitting my pants, possibly. I know I'm gonna shit my pants in Alex's car right here. With you being next, because I need a ride along with yours.
Mine don't grip like that.
I know, I was just gonna ask. Alex, what's your Instagram again?
Slow neon.
Oh yeah, right there.